Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in week 34 of the collage, the crossword collage, hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And this collage, we just only use a crossword and go from there. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs. She's so talented and I just love her to death. So, without further ado, let's get started. I hope everybody's doing great. My crossword today says only the best for you. And I'm going to use these vintage ad digitals that I have and decorate around that. So I hope everybody's doing great. I think I'm going to go around the corners here. It is a beautiful, beautiful day outside. It's just so sunny. It was sunny yesterday. It started off like it was going to be gloomy. We've been getting a lot of rain. But it ended up being a beautiful day. And I think it got up to like the, I don't know how it got up yesterday. But it had to be at least in the 50s, if not the 60s, because it was real nice. In fact, it was only 40 degrees Fahrenheit when I got up this morning about 4 o'clock. So I'm going to go around these with Distress ink. I've already went around my crossword and I went around my label. I love the vintage ads, and I've got these from the Digital Collage Club, and I was looking for something yesterday and came across this. So I thought that'd be good for Barbie's challenge, or for lack of a better word. I'm still reading the Lisa Gardner book. I haven't got a chance to read much more since the last time I mentioned it. Just a couple of pages. But it seems like I'm always behind on something. But I went outside to see my oldest son off to work, and there were birds everywhere, little happy birds. And I hear geese as I'm crafting. This morning I was crafting or doing my Bible study, and I heard geese. Alright, I think I'm going to go along with something like that, but I kind of want to do something with some washi tape. We'll go ahead and put this down. Just something else to kind of make it pretty. Sometimes I just like a pretty collage. Alright, now let's see. Something along these lines maybe. But first the washi tape. I love beautiful washi tape. And I think I'm just going to throw this around the bottom. That's pretty. I've got all kinds of beautiful washi tapes. Don't know where I'm going to put them all. Maybe do this one up here. Maybe this one along the bottom, kind of the side here. small piece right there. I don't know, kind of like that. Figure it out. Got this pretty washi tape. I may go around some of the crossword. Sorry, my words don't want to come out this morning. Alright, now I want to get these down. That's the best thing about this challenge, is you just do whatever you want. If it's just a day just for having fun and making things look pretty, well, there you go. And that's what it is for me today. If it's one of those days where you want to really get involved and surreal, it's whatever you're feeling at the time. And I just feel like vintage pretty. Okay, now I'm thinking these, I may do like probably too much washi tape, but I don't care. I like it. Now, maybe some more of the butterfly. Really like it being across from that, maybe down here. Okay, now let's see what we've got. I have got some numbers. Something like that. This. I'm just playing, see what I get. I do like that. I need to get these edges. The Lisa Gardner book I'm reading is I Love You More. It's the 5th in the D.D. Warren series. And think someone killed her husband, but I'm not buying it. I think there's something else going on, but I can't figure out what and the reasons. So it stays on my mind because I want to know what's going on. But by the time I get a chance to read it, I'm so sleepy that I can't stay awake. So I've only gotten a few pages at night. I've been trying to catch up with a lot of my video watching. It's hard to keep up with everybody on 2 channels. But there's some very talented people. Alright, I'm going to add this down. I do love to get a hold of a good book. I could almost do away with TV. I say that, but I do like my TV, especially when you have a good series going on. But I don't want to get rid of my book. I'm liking this. It's coming together. Okay. Let's see what we've got. Maybe some butterflies. Kind of do going with the blue, but I think I need something to kind of break it up. Got that one. Let's see what other colors. Got this one, which kind of goes with some of the pink. And let's see if I've got one more I could use. Maybe that one? Sure, why not? And these butterflies came from Tina Shabby Dabby Doodah. They're very pretty. Okay. Pretty. Oh, my son, he is enjoying his new truck. I'm happy for him because he has been working on getting a truck for over a year. And he finally has it. He even took me for a ride in it. I don't think he'd let me drive it though. Not that I blame him. Although he has been driving our car for years, I don't know why he wouldn't let me drive his truck. I'm sure he would if I was in a desperate need of it. All right. He did good. He saved up for it, and he put a nice down payment on it, and starting to establish his credit. Now he wants to save up for a house. I know it's time for him to grow up, but I'm in no hurry for him to leave. So maybe it'll take a while. Isn't that awful? I'm a helicopter mom and proud of it. Okay. Just want to make these pop a little bit. And give them some antenna. All right. Last but not least, let's do some gold splatters. Let me find something to cover their face. All right, now give this, which one do I want to? I'll go with this one. Got more of it. Won't get much done trying to splatter with my pen. All right. Okay. Maybe just a little bit of black. Not quite so much of the black. All right. Now I can remove this and I can put that back into my book. It's just getting very thick. All right, I think I'm done. I'm happy with how it turned out. I hope you are as well. If y'all enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment, tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. Y'all take care. I love you. Bye, y'all.